But you have to understand that other traders are looking at this. Love it. We're going to get straight into it. Happy Wednesday, 28th of August, 2019. Where's price gone? Nowhere. Hear those crickets still. This market does look heavy, but right now we're not really moving that much. Let's start with that Bitcoin thought-provoking statement. Why Bitcoin? Well, every Satoshi board is a vote for a more peaceful future. Let's not forget that Bitcoin works on blockchain, the public ledger, where there's information that goes on and sticks. Time keeps going on, but that information stays. It can't be taken away. Someone can't hack in and take it away and remove it. But I want to go through a bit of TA. I'm going to mix it up. Usually I would go through Bitcoin Gold 2.0 and the dominance. But let's go into this market because we are a bit stagnant, and I want to show you a few things. We've got a bit of sideways consolidation chop until it proves itself. We are looking a little bit heavy. It's like a surfer looking at the surf to find a good break. You know, they visualize surfing the wave. They mind surf the wave. I mind surf the markets before I look at it. I got a screen up here with just price. Price is king. It's just naked, all right? And I see certain things before I do this support and resistance and these other major trend lines, then go in. Because there are three things to a trading plan, all right? There's the outer, which we're doing a little bit of right now. I do go a little bit technical for myself before my next step, which is the inner, which is smaller time frames and working out other positions, more trend lines, and we're going to go through that. And then obviously there's refining, which is your entry placement and really refining. It's like that measure twice, cut once type thing. So you're really secure, and that goes into trading psychology, that you know your shit, and then you're comfortable when you're in a trade, so you're not flustered. It's not like you, I see a lot of retail traders watch TA people and they think, oh, here's a good entry, pop, it's going to work. There's so much more that comes into it, and it takes time to understand it and grow that brain. So I'm not saying, you know, retail traders too, just on this, and I find in crypto it's their first investment vehicle. It's their first platform they've ever used. People like myself have been a decade, you know, it was a different beast back then. Slow, clunky, cost a lot of money, brokerage fee, and a lot of fees. It was actually harder to make profit back then than it is now. But they think they're doing all the steps, but not going too in depth, and that takes with time, and hopefully they don't fall off the horse, as in get wrecked, and they jump back on and really secure it. But let's get into this, and there's also a saying, you know, if in doubt, draw a triangle. And that's what we're going to do here today, because we're consolidating, but I want to show you why triangles can work, but I'm going to show you a visual what other traders look for. You see my big trend lines down here, up the top from the all-time highs to the one down the bottom. I'm going to give you an outer view, and we are going to draw some trend lines, but this is something I do every week, where I draw the trend lines and then I work them back. The bigger to the smaller, because trading is subjective, right? So we go to wicks because price did go there, and we'll go the outer. One touch, not really a two, but we can at 3 touches there. One touch here, and then we refine right here. Get this, go here, touch, touch, touch. You're just going for the touches. And I'm doing this for a reason. Orange. Boom. You want these to intersect with each other. Boom. Then don't forget you have some traders that are body traders. Alright, so here and here. Body and body. So you got one touch here, 2, 3, apex, one touch here, it flows on here, a little bit here, wick, wick, boom. Trend line, trend line. Sometimes I do different colors from these, out a different color, move in, but you'll see what I'm doing here as I'm progressively doing this. That can stay there for now. Actually, where you move now is we've done the wicks, all right? We've done those wicks. We've done these bodies. Now, there's actually a smaller trend line here, very, very pivotal one, and we'll go to the wicks here. Wicks and wicks. All right, we've already done this trend line. You could double it up, or you could just do this here. All right, and let's do it just here also. So to recap quickly, all right, and you can go back and see this, and this is a good way to draw trend lines too, is we started with this one. Wick, 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 wick. And the wick's down here. And then we manipulated and moved up. Alright. I'm going to delete this triangle, because we moved down here. Now, look at all these trend lines. It's a mess. But you have to understand that other traders are looking at this. Other traders are going through what the process I did and going through this. Now, it's not to clutter your screen, but it's to see where things might pop. We're after that traders, we're after that pop, that reassess to get into the market. All right, and make profit. We're assessing the market for the probability that it could go into profit. Doing this is showing what other traders are looking at. And this is just trend lines. It's not even counting support and resistance into this. We've got this chop. We've got this chop right here, right? But price, we're looking up at this point in time, as in the candlestick's going up, price is moving up, but we've got these points where we need to move. This candle isn't going to do that today. This is a daily chart. So you really need to think where the pressure zones are right here for that pop. We're either going to pop up here and respect some things, or we're going to blow up. You want to see these other highs, and if we break all these lows, to give you a confluence of events for trading. It takes time to understand the ebbs and flows of this market. All right. What I want to do the next few weeks is just give you that outer view to look inwards on this. Don't put too much emotion to this. This is all comes down to trading psychology. You're watching this. I really thank you for watching this, but I'm not watching other people's shit. Okay, I'll just say that now. I've done this for the last decade. This works, and when you find out what works, you do reassess, because the market can change too. But there will always be a market somewhere, because we have this beautiful thing called money. Alright, so that's what we're seeing here. Until this market is decisive on a move up from this candlestick, or back here, or down. Really, for this is still a good buying opportunity. This is not financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. This is still one of those good positions, right? But right now, until the market proves itself, then my hands are tied. Having said that, guys, you have a great day, and I'll catch you later. Bye. Moon Lambo, baby.